All right, so we're building the seat. I cut this piece and this piece, right? Slide into a little hole like this. Next step, gonna take some of this foam here, roll it up, and staple it under these parts that have a gap. So let's do that. Okay. Put a little backer here, right here too. Next step is we're gonna take some of this, right? Lay it over all this foam. We're gonna do one piece at a time. Start with this one. Okay, there it is. After I stuffed the foam on top of it and wrapped it and stapled it. That's the back. And when we put it on, there we go. Now we just got to do the bottom one. Let's get it done. Okay, that'll be the back. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, there we go. Now we're ready for paint. All right, so we finished the seat. We've put all the fuel pump back in, all the hoses. So right now we gotta take these tires off because we gotta get new tires on it. These tires are horrible. So once we get those tires off, I'll also take off these trumpets because they got rust holes in them. So let's get that done. Almost ready for paint and finishing this thing. Okay, so we want to take off this brake lever. See if we can slide this off. Pull that bolt in, and there she goes. Okay. Next, we need to loosen these up. Loosen that one up. Now we gotta take this nut off. There we go. There we go with the rubber mallet. Hopefully I can pull it out the rest of the way. There she goes. Oh, this tire's about to fall out. Ready? Come on, kid. Oh, one more nut right here. There's one. I'll show you. right here, this little bolt is holding the brake on. So we gotta take that one off. Get this out. That thing right there. This wheel should come out now. Just make sure I'm doing that. There we go. There we go. And we're out. Okay, so we got the back wheel out. Now we can clean all under there. I'm gonna show you. Here's the wheel. And you can check your brakes. We still have brake pad left, so back brake's good. All our bearings are good. Now we just need to clean this wheel up, like really clean it. Get the tire put on that one. Let's take this front tire off. All right, there's a 6mm Allen wrench right there. Bust it loose. Take our wrench. Make sure the pipe doesn't go falling everywhere. There we go. Get it to crack. Now we're just gonna slowly unscrew it. It's been on there for a long time. There we go. Come on, there we go. Like this, in our spacer. Pull off our throttle, our speedometer cable. This thing will come right out. There we go. I'm gonna get the new wheels, get the tires put on them. I'm gonna clean up all this stuff. When you see it next, we're gonna paint it, put fluids in it, and we're gonna ride it. All right, stay with us.